I tested 5 AI tools, and they helped me generate $3,000 in passive income this year. Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to unlock your own income streams using AI. But first, let's take a quick overview of what we'll cover today. We'll discuss AI-powered passive income streams, including how to set up each tool step by step. I'll share real-life case studies that show how these tools actually generate income. Additionally, I'll provide tips on maximizing your returns with AI insights and explain how to scale your passive income using automation. The first tool is an AI content creation platform like Jasper or Copy. AI. These tools can help you generate engaging blog posts, social media content, and even ebooks. For example, I created a niche blog with just a few AI-generated articles, and it attracted organic traffic that led to affiliate earnings. In fact, with minimal effort, I generated $1,200 in passive income in just 6 months. To get started, sign up for $1,200 in passive income in just 6 months. Next up, we have AI stock trading bots like Trade Ideas or Alpaca. These platforms use algorithms to analyze stock market trends and execute trades on your behalf. I tested several bots, and one particular bot earned me $900 in just 3 months. The setup is straightforward. Create an account, link your brokerage, and select your trading strategy. By allowing AI to handle trades, you can capitalize on market opportunities without spending hours in front of your screen. The third tool is an AI-powered print-on-demand service, like Printful or Teespring. These platforms allow you to create custom merchandise without any upfront costs. I designed a few shirts using AI-generated graphics, and within 3 months, I earned $600 in passive income. To start, create an account, design your products, and integrate with an online store. This approach lets you tap into the e-commerce market while minimizing risks. Fourth, we have AI tools like Zillow or Roofstock that analyze real estate markets. These tools provide insights into property values, rental prices, and neighborhood trends. I utilize these insights to invest in a rental property that generated $800 in passive income annually. To leverage this tool, simply input your desired criteria and let the AI do the heavy lifting. By using AI to find the right investment, you can make educated decisions that pay off in the long run. The fifth tool is an AI-powered marketing automation platform like HubSpot or MailChimp. These tools can segment your audience and automate email campaigns, which is essential for nurturing leads and driving sales. By optimizing my email strategy with AI, I increased my conversion rate by 25%, resulting in an additional $500 in passive income. Now that we've covered the 5 tools, let's talk about how to maximize your returns using AI insights. Track the performance of each tool and analyze the data regularly. For instance, use Google Analytics for your blog or performance metrics from your trading bot. This allows you to identify what works best and refine your strategies accordingly. To scale your passive income, automation is crucial. Use tools like Zapier to connect your AI tools and automate tasks between them. For example, automate your content posting schedule or link your trading bot to your email alerts. This minimizes manual work and allows you to focus on growing your income streams. By creating efficient systems, you can significantly increase your income potential. Let's dive into a quick case study. I started a niche blog using Jasper.ai focused on personal finance tips. After publishing 10 AI-generated articles, my blog began to rank on Google, attracting over 1,000 monthly visitors. This led to affiliate partnerships that earned me $1,200 in passive income within just 6 months. This case illustrates the power of AI in generating content that drives traffic and revenue. Another case study involves using an AI stock trading bot. I invested $1,500 and allowed the bot to trade for me while I focused on other projects. Within 3 months, the bot increased my investment by 60%, netting me a profit of $900. This demonstrates how effective AI can be in making informed trading decisions without constant supervision. The right AI tools can turn your investment into a hassle-free income generator. If you're eager to get started with AI tools for passive income, here are some tips. Begin by selecting 1 or 2 tools that resonate with your interest or expertise. Allocate a small budget for testing and be patient. Monitor your results closely and be willing to pivot your strategies based on what you learn. Success often comes from experimentation, so don't be afraid to try different approaches until you find what works for you. Adopting a long-term mindset is crucial for success. Passive income streams may take time to build, but with consistent effort and the right AI tools, your income can grow exponentially. Stay informed about new AI advancements and continuously optimize your strategies. In conclusion, leveraging AI tools for passive income can lead to significant financial rewards. By utilizing content creation, trading bots, print-on-demand services, and more, you can create diverse income streams. Take the time to explore these tools, optimize your strategies, and watch your passive income grow. Embrace the future of finance with AI and unlock your earning potential. To recap, we discussed 5 AI tools that helped me generate $3,000 in passive income. From content creation to trading, each tool offers unique advantages. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss our weekly AI finance tips. Remember, the journey to financial independence is just a click away.